Absolutely critical alert, guys. We took a short position on Luna. Let's talk about it. Now, did it wipe us all out? I want to get into the details. I entered into it with some relatively heavy cash, guys. Relatively heavy cash along this beautiful line of resistance. What happened? Let's dig into it. Now, I'm excited it's up for anybody who's long. I even brought up to the VIP, etc. I'm like, you guys, if you want to test this out, roll with it. It had been so strong, but look at this line of resistance. I couldn't help it, guys. I got into it. The good news is what? Yes, it wiped out the trade, but not before what? Before I closed it with some positive cash in the books. Bam. You guys know last night was interesting, about a 5 to 6% drop on the overall entirety of it. Absolutely. If you guys measured on the desktop, if you got down to the wicks, this was a great area to enter when it was up about 15% last night. You got it right. And everybody was in the money just a touch. So if you watched it and I watched it, I was like, hold on, this looks kind of bullish to me. Absolutely. You guys know too. I was like, maybe it's a good time to take some profits right here, right? So I was looking for 10 to 15% to the downside. I was hoping for that on the short, but you guys know if we could short it and then we could long it, that is the idea, right? If you can hit it with leverage on the upside and the downside, guys, that's when you start getting into alpha blood. I like that someone stated alpha blood, right? That's the percentage. Alpha is the percentage by which you beat the market. This trajectory up was so strong. And guys, I'm in the gym. It's about to get crazy in the background, but just wanted to talk about it. And I did bring it to the attention of the VIP, some crazy kind of cycling class. Let me get away from that. Hold on, guys. As I look at this, I brought up to the VIP. I told them, I was like, there's so many bull flags here. I was like, if you guys go against me on this short, I'll be impressed, frankly, right? Yeah, absolutely. So we formulated another bull flag. Great opportunity to go ahead and enter into a long, guys, in line with the completion of that. And I'll just say it's impressive to watch Luna go. Why? Because I have to say the overall markets, including the Dow, etc., guys, it's down, right? It had a rough day, a lot of volatility. So Tether, right? The demand for Tether, I suppose, in the markets with a lot of volatility, etc., is getting accumulated in line with their burn. And I did tweet that out. Some of you may have thought, well, he doesn't know about the burn. I know about the burn. I wanted to be a part of the experiment. I wanted to get in line with this. I wanted to know, like, can Luna literally, can it match up this many lines of support, this many lines of resistance? Let me get back to this. I went into a studio for a second. They didn't have the good reception. So I had to do it. That's just it, guys. It was one of those deals. Like, I'm going to pull this trigger. I'm going to see what happens. Good news, guys. We got a good, fresh look at hitting with leverage to the downside, at hitting with leverage back to the upside. If we can do that, guys, consistently, that's what it's all about, huh? So shout out to anybody who got into the short, who made some cash, and then got back into, that's what I want to know, who got back into the long position, right? That's VIP, right? That's what we're all about, huh? Can you hit it with leverage on the top side? Can you hit it back with leverage once you identify the bull flag? Bam, to the upside. That's what I'm hoping, guys. So always be prepared to double, triple down, never be overexposed. Let's watch this. What do we got now? Looks like an ascending triangle, right? Bam, on the 5 minute, we're about to roll potentially to the upside. Who's on leverage? Who's working? Who's got backup capital? That's the name of the game, guys. Never want you to get overexposed or burned. And in terms of anything, any mention of securities, etc., guys, this is not financial advice. I don't deal with securities. That's not my deal. We like crypto because it's non-securitized, so we're just going to enjoy the crypto market, continue on that. Let's measure up real quickly. In terms of this, I just finished working out, guys, so I'm at the gym, etc. Had to get this to you guys. I need to update these dudes. What's up? And these ladies and gentlemen, might as well say, potential additional 4.21 to the upside. You guys know how to play the ascending triangle. This is what it's all about, guys. It's crypto. Enjoy your trading. This is London with Crypto Kingdom and Bitcoin Spike.